Guys, today we talk about how can you get premium on your Hinge app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on your photo profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. So just keep going down here. Then you come here to subscribe to Hinge. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. And here can you select if you want to add 1 week or 1 month here or 3 months or 6 here. So then you click here, for example, here to get 1 week here. Just click on it. So then here add your debit or add credit or debit card. Then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.